Hello everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak and I am an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! And I'm very excited to share with you this month's July 2018 Paper Pumpkin. Now this is take two. You know, just sometimes you have those days, and well, one of those days is today. I was over at my other desk filming the video and going through all the items that are in the Paper Pumpkin box, and I look up and it says, storage is full, and it stopped my video. So I apologize. I've already opened this up and started going through it, but because you guys can't see the first part that I started, we're going to start all over again. We're at a different desk, and I'm using my iPad this time, which I should have just done from the beginning, but, well, you know. So, yeah. So this is the Paper Pumpkin for July 2018. It is called Picnic Paradise, and if you're not a member yet of Paper Pumpkin, this month is from now through August 10th is the best time to sign up. You know why? Because you will get your kit at 50% off. That's right, 50% off. So you'll want to go ahead on over to my online store at stampin2creates.stampinup.net. Check out the details, or if you need more information on it, please feel free to email me at stampin2creates@gmail.com. And I can fill you in on the details and give you my private link to go to my online store and subscribe to Paper Pumpkin, which is basically at paperpumpkin.com. Choose me, Susan Timchak, as your demonstrator, and you will have a code to put in, and it's all there on the Paper Pumpkin website. Makes it real easy for you to join and give it a try. I mean, the kit is $20, so 50%, it's $10. And wait till you see what you're missing out on this month's kit. I have to tell you, the last how many months, because there's been so many, I lost track, they have been doing such a fabulous job with these kits. I mean, $20 for all this? I mean, you get a stamp set, you get at least the ink spot, sometimes two, and you get all the supplies to create fun projects, and there's always leftover. So give it a try. I mean, what do you got to lose? The kids are going to be going back to school soon. You're going to be looking for some creative escape time. What better than come home from a hard day at work, see this beautiful box on your doorstep, and sending kids off to school, and go ahead and just take some time for you and create. I mean, we all need that. We all need some sort of therapy. Some people like to shop. I like to stamp. And I don't want to go to somebody and tell them my problems. I much rather use my Stampin' as my therapy. And the best part of it is there's no copay. Not at all. I mean, my copay is more than $10. My copay is more than $20. So, have at it. All right, so let's check out the stamp set. And I apologize, it's all mishmashed because, yep, take two. And there's the car horn still blowing from before. So there is a to and a from, a for you, a little thank you, thinking of you, enjoy. Here's, this almost looks like a comb to me. The way I'm looking at it, looks like a comb, a hair comb. But it's little lines. Here's like a little basket weave. And then here's little stitching lines, which you can use that for so many other projects. And the ink spot that you get this month is the soft suede. So every month you'll get a different one. Sometimes you get two. I've even had where the one time we got a marker, and that's even fun too. So here's little glue dots. Now I'm not going to actually demonstrate for you the project. I will put a link down below in the comment section. Stampin' Up! Does a wonderful video on Paper Pumpkin assembly. So why recreate the wheel? No sense in me doing it for you when they kind of have music going to it. Sometimes the music is a little annoying, so just turn your volume down. And it's kind of like a quick, fast forward type moving video to show you how to assemble it all. So yeah, we'll do that. Here's some baker's twine. We have some mini glue dots. Do we not love those? And my ceiling fan is on, so in case some of my things tend to flutter away, you'll know why. So here's your instruction sheet. It is Picnic Paradise Instructions, July 2018. And you're going to make 12 little note cards and coordinating envelopes and 4 little baskets. You can very easily put a few note cards in the little basket, give them as a gift, or you can buy those little jars of jelly. That would be fun to put in as a gift, or whatever you want to put in. Inside are full instructions, but like I said, there will be a video, and you can always go to paperpumpkinhowto.com. We'll show you. On the back, your kit, what it includes, how to stamp, how to clean and store, and all the social medias you can find alternative projects. And your first kit is going to include not this block, but this size D block, and you'll use that for all your future paper pumpkin assemblies. So here's just a piece of cardboard. So let's go through. This one is fun because they have them layered. This is the long brim sticker. Okay, and here are some vellum sheets. They look like plaid, like it. I think this goes on top of the cards. So you just punch those out. Some of them are falling out already on their own. They're not waiting for me. Here's basket handles, and look at it, it's like shiny and has that little texture to it. This would also be great to run through with our basket embossing folder. I think that would be fabulous. So here's our little die cuts. Here's the apple. How cute is that? And push this little thing out here. How cute. Come on, come on. There's our apple. And here's our strawberries. And you just die cuts, you punch them out. Here's our blueberries, and they have a little kind of star that gets punched out, so to make it look just like a blueberry. We have some tissue paper to line our baskets with. And look, we have the green, and we have the blueberry, and we have the red. Where's the blueberry? There. Look how fun they are. I wish Stampin' Up! Would have these in the catalog. They would be super fun. And here's some little leaf stickers. They're already with the adhesive on them. And here we have some labels. Hard to see, but there you go. And some more labels. And here's our little tags for our basket. And look at they color coordinate. How fabulous. I'll tell you. And here's the basket. Basket base, basket base, basket base. Yeah, there, it says all around. So here's how your thing goes together. And I mean, you can run this through the embossing folder, but I don't know if you can see that, but it already has a texture to it. But running it through the embossing folder would make it even more fun. And it's a nice little size basket. You could fit like even a candle in there. Oh, a fruit candle would be so fabulous in there with the little matching cards. Oh, yes. I can't wait to sit and play with this. I'm going to watch the video though first, and then I'm going to make my little baskets. So you have 4 baskets to make. And here's some little brads. They're fun. And here's your little note cards. It's like the crumb cake color, and the other side is the whisper white. And look at the little envelopes. Oh my goodness, look at they have little apples, little strawberries, and blueberries. And when you flip them over, look at the inside, and the whole inside of the envelope is lined. So you can take these apart and use them to make other projects. But how stinking cute are they? And then what do we have here? We have short brim sticker. So you must use these to assemble your baskets, is what I am assuming. So yeah, it is a great kit this month. I am so excited to sit and play with the July Picnic Paradise instructions sheet and video. And you can just fill these baskets with such fun things. And I will definitely be sharing a picture of my baskets assembled. I will make the cards, one of each, and I'll make one of the baskets. And I'll post it over on my Stampin' Sue Creates Facebook page. So if you're not a subscriber yet to my Facebook page, be sure to go ahead on over and subscribe. It's absolutely free. And I share lots of ideas on there, probably much more than I do on my blog. And I'm not a Twitter person or Instagram or any of that, but I do like to share on Facebook. So anyhow, thank you so much for joining me. Again, be sure to sign up by August 5th, August 10th, I'm sorry, by the 10th, in order to get your 50% off. And a little psst is, if you have been a subscriber before, use a different email. And you didn't hear that from me. Did I say that out loud? I didn't mean to say that out loud. But if you use a different email than you used before, then Stampin' Up! Recognizes you as being new. So if you've tried it before and maybe it wasn't really your thing or you just didn't have the time, but now you do, I mean, make the time. We all have time that we can squeeze in something creative to do, something to help us cope through our busy, busy days, and maybe something that you just want to feel creative, but maybe don't want to put all the money into buying all the Stampin' Up! Supplies. Although, great time to sign up because we do offer a kit right now, $99. You get $125 in supplies and a free set of 10 ink pads of your color choice. Like, hello. But anyhow, do the $10. Give it a try and make something creative. Share it with someone you love. They'll so appreciate it and they'll so love it because it was something handmade, not something that you went to the store and bought. So, great teacher gifts too, going back to school. So thank you so much for joining me, and I want to wish you a super Stampin' Day, and I look forward to seeing you back here real soon. So make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave comments. I love to read comments, and I definitely respond to each and every one. And hit that little bell to receive notifications when I upload new videos, which can be crafting, it can be unboxings, including my dog Aurora does a fabulous unboxing. She's so excited. And my Chalk Couture business as well, and just everyday kind of fun things. So, yeah, I hope to see you back here again real soon. So, bye-bye for now.